Masantos tan maabig ya agawid si katay namin, siyak si Jerico makaranas Laxamana, malikot ya mangitatalindag, na balay kon pinabli, balay kon Malasique.
I was born and raised in a peaceful place, surrounded with good people and emulated with historical places. Balay kon pinabli, balay na Malasique. Growing up, I have learned and taught the values and ethics of life from the oldest school in town, yet promotes quality education and academic excellence, Malasique Valley College, where I am presently studying, taking up Bachelor of Secondary Education. As a future educator, I want to impart the mission and vision of my alma mater to my future students for them to become a better person. Balay na Malasique is considered as one of the first-class municipalities because of its wide and large territory. Arenas Drive is a newly created project that is nice and perfect for a long, safe ride where you could feel the warm, fresh air while enjoying the ride. In Malasique, you will also have the best place for dine-in with a relaxing ambience and friendly staff that will surely satisfy your hunger and thirst with the quality food and drinks that is being served. It is perfectly made by well-trained chef experts in town. The good taste and variety of flavors to choose from will give you a reason to go back, relax, and enjoy the delicious and nutritious food of your choice. Because the more you eat, the more you enjoy and have a good time. Malasiqueñans love to create bamboo products like bamboo weaving, bamboo house making, and even quality furniture making. It truly serves as one of the livelihood of our Kabaluyans. I truly admire the hard work, dedication, and passion of their job. Like every people of Malasique, we always dream high and make the most out of it. I am also thankful and grateful for having good memories together with my family and friends here at Family Center Point Resort that is located around Poblacion. Family and friends here at Family Center Point Resort that is located around Poblacion, Malasique. It is such a nice place like no other. It's like a dream destination that I've never been before that makes me feel relaxed and stress-free. So if you want to visit, try not to go far if you can go near. Within my 28 years of existence, I always remind myself that whatever endeavor and challenges I faced, if you have a strong faith in God, nothing is impossible. Here at St. Ildefonso Parish Church, I surrender all my worries and fear. Like this church, I am capable of growing up with faith and hope that God is the source of my everything, for without Him, I am nothing. With my journey of becoming the first ever Mr. Day Pangasinan 2021, I may not be the perfect candidate to carry this honor and responsibility. One thing is for sure, I would always be the best person that I could be. With the humble beginning, I believe it will definitely help me to inspire others. Again, I am Jerico Laxamana of Malasique, Pangasinan, saying, God is my strength, and to God be the highest glory.